Today, I am reviewing Ninja Foodi XL 2-basket Air Fryer DZ302. If at any time you like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Ninja Foodi XL 2-basket Air Fryer DZ302 is a powerful and innovative addition to modern kitchens, designed to make cooking faster, easier, and healthier. What sets this air fryer apart is its DualZone technology, which features two independent 5-quart baskets, allowing you to cook two foods in different ways at the same time. This means no more waiting for one dish to finish before starting the next, which is a game changer for busy families or anyone who enjoys meal prep without the hassle. With a total capacity of 10 quarts, the Ninja Foodi XL can handle up to 8 pounds of chicken wings or a full meal in one go. Whether you are air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, dehydrating, or reheating, this air fryer is built for versatility. The 6-in-1 functionality makes it much more than just an air fryer. It's essentially a multi-cooker that replaces several kitchen appliances. This flexibility is ideal for anyone who loves experimenting with different recipes or needs a machine that can handle a wide variety of dishes. One of the most notable features is the Smart Finish and Match Cook modes. Smart Finish allows you to cook two foods in separate baskets, so they finish at the same time, while Match Cook copies settings across both baskets for a large combined meal. This is perfect if you want a main dish and a side ready simultaneously. The IQ Boost feature intelligently distributes power to each basket to cook a large meal quickly without compromising on quality. The Ninja Foodi XL air fryer delivers crispy, golden results with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional frying methods. This is a big plus for anyone who enjoys fried foods but wants a healthier option. Whether you are cooking frozen foods or fresh ingredients, the fast air circulation and high temperature range of 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit ensure excellent results every time. Cleaning is also straightforward, thanks to its non-stick crisper plates and dishwasher-safe baskets. This means less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. The wide temperature range also allows for precision cooking, whether you are dehydrating fruits, keeping food warm, or baking a dessert. From a design perspective, the Ninja Foodi XL is sleek and sturdy, with a large touch control panel that makes selecting cooking modes intuitive. The independent baskets are a brilliant solution for families with different tastes, and the overall build quality feels premium and durable. This air fryer is ideal for busy households, meal preppers, and anyone looking to save time without sacrificing quality. It makes meal preparation faster, reduces cooking time significantly, and allows for healthy cooking without losing flavor or texture. It's not just an air fryer. It's a multifunctional kitchen powerhouse that redefines how we cook at home. If you want efficiency, variety, and healthier meals all in one machine, the Ninja Foodi XL 2-basket Air Fryer DZ302 is a fantastic investment. It's perfect for large families, dinner parties, or anyone who loves delicious, crispy meals with minimal effort and minimal oil. Overall, the Ninja Foodi XL delivers exceptional performance, convenience, and versatility. It's an air fryer designed to make life in the kitchen easier and more enjoyable, and it's truly worth considering if you want a modern, powerful appliance that can handle it all.